Hello, my name is Brandon Lopez, and I'm the creator for Resume Aid. Resume Aid is a site for job seekers to use their own information and input it into any custom-made resume templates. I use the phrase resumes are made fast, easy, and professional because that is what I expect from a good company. On the home page, I use links that connect to the traffic to my services page, which will prompt them to purchase from my site. As a bonus, I have also provided a cover letter for templates uh, to complement my resume templates. If the purchaser buys both services, they will get $5 off the order. About the About page, my About the company page points out that the satisfaction is a priority because if the customer is not satisfied, there could be negative effects to the business. If someone is dissatisfied with my services, I would want to know so I can fix the issue. I added some basic information to my contact page so that the customers can leave feedback or give testimonials of their experience on my site. And I used Weebly as my site creator and connected the site with Google Analytics, which is interesting because I wanted to note that as my campaign stopped, there was a dramatic drop in unique visits and page views, which goes to show how important Google Ads is. On the best day of my campaign, I received 36 unique visits and 62 page views. During my campaign, I had 344 clicks and almost 6,500 impressions. The overall cost was $109. Interestingly, my best keyword was cover letter sample, and this led me to believe that there isn't enough competition for cover letter samples and that there is enough competition for resume templates. Uh, but not enough of the cover letter templates are being used in the ads, it seems. This led me to believe that there is enough competition for resume templates, and the resume tips follow behind. Uh, and I think it's because it did a better job for job seekers, and they would prefer to try and create their own names with Resume Aid. And for my ad campaign, the ad for my cover letter sample received 236 clicks, while my resume template ad only had 108 clicks. And I think in all, if I put more attention to my cover letter template ad, um, it would greatly improve my visibility. Whereas the resume templates would need to be worked on in the meantime. Thank you everybody for watching.